Welcome back, tech enthusiasts and crypto-curious folks. Today, we're unveiling the technical layers of cryptocurrencies. We'll decode how cryptocurrency mining works, compare the consensus mechanisms, proof of work and proof of stake, and even peek into the crystal ball to predict what's in store for blockchain technology. So, if you've been itching to understand the mechanics behind these digital currencies, you're in for a treat. Ready to get a bit technical? Let's dig in. First off, let's talk about cryptocurrency mining. Now, if you're picturing people chipping away at rocks in a dark, dank cave, well, you're not entirely off track. But instead of pickaxes and hard hats, think powerful computers and complex algorithms. Mining, in the world of cryptocurrency, is all about validating transactions and creating new coins. Essentially, miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems. These problems are so intricate and complicated that they require high-performance computers, a sort of digital pickaxe, if you will. Imagine this: every time a problem is solved, a new block of transactions is added to the blockchain. This is akin to finding a new vein of gold in our mining metaphor. The miner, or group of miners who solve the problem, first get to add the block to the blockchain, hence the term adding a block. But it's not all about the chase, there's a reward too. For their tireless effort and computing power, miners are rewarded with new cryptocurrency tokens. It's like striking gold in our digital mine. In Bitcoin's case, this reward is halved approximately every 4 years in an event known as halving. But it's not just about minting new coins. This process is critical to the security and integrity of the blockchain. By solving these problems, miners are effectively verifying and validating the transactions on the block. This ensures that every transaction is legitimate and prevents double spending, a unique kind of fraud that digital currencies are susceptible to. So there you have it. Cryptocurrency mining is a complex process of competition, mathematical problem solving, and reward. It's a digital gold rush, where the fastest and the smartest strike it rich. This process not only creates new coins, but also secures the network and verifies transactions. It's a critical component of keeping a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin decentralized and secure. Stay tuned, as we're about to delve into the fascinating world of proof of work and proof of stake in the next scene. Now let's explore two main types of consensus mechanisms in the crypto world: proof of work and proof of stake. These two consensus mechanisms are like the beating heart of a cryptocurrency, pumping life into the system by validating transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain. Proof of work, the original consensus mechanism used by Bitcoin, is akin to a digital treasure hunt. Miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles, and the first one to crack the code gets to add a new block to the blockchain, pocketing some shiny new coins as a reward. But this isn't just a game, it's a vital process that keeps the network secure and transactions flowing. However, this digital race consumes a lot of energy, sparking concerns about its environmental impact. On the other side of the coin, we have proof of stake. Instead of a competitive puzzle-solving race, proof of stake operates like a lottery. Here, the more coins you hold and are willing to stake or lock up as collateral, the higher your chances of being chosen to validate new transactions and earn rewards. It's less about who has the most powerful mining rigs, and more about who has the most skin in the game. The beauty of this approach is that it's much less energy intensive, which makes it a greener alternative to proof of work. But it's not just about energy efficiency. These two mechanisms also have different implications for security and decentralization. In proof of work, the threat of a 51% attack, where one entity controls more than half of the mining power and can manipulate the network, is a concern. In proof of stake, there's a potential risk of centralization, as those with the most coins have the highest chances of validating transactions. These mechanisms have different implications for security, energy consumption, and how decentralized the cryptocurrency is. It's a complex balance, and the debate over which is better is ongoing. As the world of cryptocurrencies continues to evolve, it's fascinating to see how these consensus mechanisms adapt and innovate to meet the challenges of this dynamic digital frontier. Finally, let's gaze into the crystal ball and ponder the future of blockchain technology. While we often associate blockchain with cryptocurrencies, its potential stretches far beyond digital currencies. Blockchain's ability to create a decentralized, secure, and transparent network has the potential to revolutionize a multitude of industries. Imagine a world where every product you purchase can be traced back to its origins, ensuring fairness and authenticity. This could become a reality with blockchain technology and supply chain management. From the coffee beans that start your day to the diamond in your engagement ring, blockchain could provide a transparent and verifiable history of their journey. Now let's take this a step further. Picture casting your vote in the next election right from your smartphone, with the assurance that your vote is secure and counted. Blockchain technology could make this possible, transforming the way we conduct voting and potentially increasing voter participation. But like any emerging technology, blockchain isn't without its challenges. Two of the most significant are scalability and energy consumption. As we've discussed, the energy required for proof of work mining is substantial. And while proof of stake offers a more energy-efficient alternative, both systems face scalability issues as the number of transactions increases. Innovation, however, is already underway to address these challenges. Layer 2 protocols, for example, are being developed to process transactions off the main blockchain, increasing speed and reducing costs. Moreover, hybrid consensus models are being explored, combining the best of proof of work and proof of stake to create more efficient and scalable systems. As we look to the future, it's clear that blockchain technology holds immense potential. It's not just about creating digital currencies, it's about transforming the way we conduct business, govern, and even how we establish trust. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, we might see even more creative and transformative uses for this groundbreaking technology. The future indeed looks bright. And that wraps up our deep dive into the technical side of cryptocurrencies. We've demystified cryptocurrency mining, compared the consensus mechanisms of proof of work and proof of stake, and peered into the potential future of blockchain technology. The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you've learned something new about the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the digital frontier.